I created 300 of YouTube Shorts in just 30 minutes for free. In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to do the same so you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. So we're starting with ChatGPT. I want to teach ChatGPT to generate love quotes that fit a specific style. Now I want these quotes to be about topics like love, heartbreak, and friendship. I want a theme like girl or boy facts, the first part of the quote and then the second part. I'll ask ChatGPT to categorize them in an Excel-like format. This is an important step, and you find out why later in the video. As you can see, ChatGPT provides us with all the quotes. Now I told it to give me 30 quotes, and indeed, it is providing me the quotes. And now we have all the quotes well written and also well categorized in less than 5 minutes. What you now want to do is to copy and paste all the quotes in Excel, and as you can see, I have more than 72 unique quotes generated by ChatGPT. So let's start making some fancy YouTube shorts with Canva. Go to canva.com and search for mobile video. Here, click Create Blank Mobile Video. It'll take you to the timeline on the search section. Search for quotes, it'll give you lots of different quote templates. So let's select this one. I'm going to put the theme text like girl facts, boy facts, and friend facts somewhere at the top of the screen. The quote itself is going in the middle, however, as you know, the quotes are always made up of 2 parts. So I have a second text block, and I am going to place it at the center here. The style of videos I want to make are made up of 2 parts. The first 9 seconds display the first part of the quote. Then there is a 1-second pause, and then it reveals the second part of the quote, which has a duration of about 1.5 seconds. Next, right-click on the first part of the quote and select Show Timing. This will show you the duration and placement of the text in the video. We want the first half of the quote to be 9 seconds long, followed by a 1-second pause, and then we start the second part of the quote at the 10-second mark. The second half of the quote should only take about 1.5 seconds, and then we want the video to end. Finally, we want to center the second part of the quote on the screen, and we're done. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Our video template is ready. Now here comes the real magic. We're going to insert the database of quotes into Canva so I can make hundreds of different videos with just a few clicks. Go to Apps in the left menu and search for Bulk Create. Select Enter Data manually. Here, copy your Excel list of quotes. I'm only going to put in 40 for now, then paste them into Canva with their names, as you can see. We have the first 30 quotes in, so we can click on Done. Next, we want to connect the different pieces of text to the correct parts of the video, right? Click on the text in the video and go to Connect Data. Now select the right piece of data you want to be shown in a text. This part is going to be the theme. So we select Theme, then connect the first part of the quote to first part, then the second part of the quote to second part. Once you've connected all the data pieces, place the second part back in the center of the video and we're good to go. Now all parts of the data have a purple check mark on the left indicating that we're ready to generate the video. Click on Continue and then it generates 30 pages, and voila, we now have 30 YouTube shorts with different quotes. You can change background manually by going to the menu bar on the left and selecting Elements. Here you can search for different videos and choose the one you like. Click on the 3 dots at the top of the video and select Replace Background, and this is how you can generate so many shorts. If you want to see more of our content, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.